Okay, so what we have here is the Fujitsu mini split. This is the cover right here. We took it off, a couple screws over here, removed a couple panels, popped open the bottom, screws on the bottom, took off the sides. The sides come off pretty easily over here. They just clip off once you get the screw out there. Same thing on the other side there. Take out the filters and then remove this here. Usually the best way to remove it is to pry it off from the bottom. As you can see, the way it goes on here, you pry it off from the bottom here, and you'll get a good way out if you pull it from the bottom and just work your way off. Just make sure you get all the screws off of this thing here. So what the problem with this air conditioning unit is, is the remote control stopped working for it. This is a Fujitsu. I'm more than sure I figured out the problem. Had a guy come here and told me $150 just to look at it. He did nothing. Told me $700 to fix it. I told him to get lost. This is the model right here, as you can see, ASU 9RLF1, something like that. So I ordered the part for it, thing called a receiver. This is the receiver right here. I was able to get it out pretty simple. Just got to finagle the wires on the side there, or whatever the case may be. And then this piece just pops out right here, a little clip. You pop up a little bit here, and it pops out, and you can finagle that wire out of there and unplug it. And I want to replace with a new one. This is the new receiver. As you can see, big difference, cloudy, not cloudy. The back of the board looks pretty much healthy and fresh and clean. And if you look at the back of this board, it looks kind of burned out. As you can see right there, looks all messed up, all destroyed right here, around here. And the lights, it looks all dirty and stuff like that. So we believe that this failed. And if you look at it, you can kind of tell it's like bulging out right here a little bit. You know, it definitely does not look good. All right, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. And I'm gonna pop the new one back on there. Oh, I failed to mention that to unplug it, it's hidden behind the board. I'm sorry, this is the board, the motherboard. So hidden behind, how to get to the motherboard is a little covering on the top here. You remove a screw that's right here that connects that, a screw that connects the top up there with that, and this thing just slides right off, man. 1, 2, 3, can't miss it, easy to do. Once you get this out, it even has like a little schematic on the side there. Once you get it out, you'll see the PCB, the control board there. If you need to change that, that looks pretty simple to change as well. Just plug and play. I don't know how much that costs on eBay. I know that my new receiver only cost me 13 bucks on eBay. Actually, this was on a website called furnaceparts.com. Anyway, we're gonna change this out, and hopefully when we're done, this thing works perfectly fine. But we believe it does, because look how it looks back there, all busted up and all kinds of stuff. You see like a little acid with there coming out right there. All right, there we go. There you have it. This is my less than 3-minute video. I'll post it on YouTube. And this is the Fujitsu mini split. I think it's 9,000 BTUs. We had it cleaned. After the cleaning, that thing stopped working. Okay, there you have it. Those are the parts that came off of it. Filters, the side panels, a couple screws. You can figure that out. That's pretty easy to get off. But to get this off was a little not too hard. I figured it out. This whole thing, like I said, comes off there. There you go. And then you just finagle this wire behind these little clips here, and you get the plug and you unplug it and just replace and plug and play. Thank you very much. We'll see what happens.